Innovation promotes development. Under developing, Wuxi Yuan Machinery Company Limited focuses on supplying customers with excellent quality non-ferrous metal extrusion presses. Yuan Company is located in Yangtze River Delta region, which is the most developed area in China. With great concentration management for several years, the company yearly increased its comprehensive strength. Now, the company has an area of over 30,000 square meters. The fixed assets reaches over RMB 21 million, with the ownership of high technology support from over 30 high-quality technicians and the strong machinery capability, including more than 80 sites of machining equipment, such as heavy vertical lathe, large horizontal lathe, machinery center, WC numerical control lathe, boring lathe, milling lathe, drilling lathe, planing lathe, grinding lathe, etc. The capability of the crane in workshop reaches 100 tons. Meanwhile, the company invested automatic water jet cutting machine, automatic cutting machine, etc. By yearly increasing the capability of technology and machining, Yuan Company persists in improving the quality of extrusion presses. Yuan Company has laid a strong foundation in non-ferrous extrusion field. Recently, Yuan Company achieved EU CE certificate, ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System certificate, ISO 14004-2004 Environment Management System certificate, Measurement Guarantee Confirmation certificate, several technical monopoly. The company is one of the most famous private technology enterprises in Jiangsu Province and the member of Shanghai Non-Ferrous Metals Industry Association. On April 16, 2013, the subordinate enterprise of Yuan Company, Wuxi Yuan Machinery Tech Company Limited, started the cooperation with Suzhou University and established a graduate student workstation. By the support of scientific research resource from Suzhou University, Yuan Company will achieve improvement on research and development strength. The product innovation will realize a qualitative change. Prosperity from improvement. Yuan people always keep a sense of tribulation and devote their diligent, steadfast work to pursue the sustainable development of enterprise. Achievement from innovation. Yuan Company always follow up customers' requirement and improve product quality. The purpose of the company is to supply customers with the latest non-ferrous metals extrusion projects. With great concentration management for several years, Yuan Company always achieve various work experiences. The company uses these experiences for realizing customers' requirements. The experienced and professional image help Yuan achieve the acceptance by customers. The annual sales of Yuan is always number one in Chinese industry. The stable increase of market share brings Yuan sustainable development. Meanwhile, it is also the endless power for technology improvement. Now, Yuan extrusion presses were exported to many foreign countries, such as Russia, USA, Australia, Japan, Korea, Turkey, Syria, India, Uzbekistan, Argentina, Brazil, etc. Quality wins future. Good quality is determined by carrying each step during design and manufacturing, by the inspection of raw material, components, installation, and working pressure. Yuan Company follows up each step carefully for providing good quality. Main mechanical parts are made of forged steel, such as main cylinder body, main piston, etc. These parts will not have sand hole, air hole, shrinkage porosity, etc. Whole machine can have high strength. By passing the finite element analysis, manufacturer can learn accurate stress variation of each part for increasing the stability and safety of machine. Hydraulic pumps and hydraulic valves come from Germany Rexroth, Kawasaki, USA Vickers, etc. Good quality hydraulic parts can ensure the stability, the reliability, and the low noise. Meanwhile, hydraulic system is controlled by large flux cartridge valve. By this component, machine can work stably and reliably. Electronic control system is controlled by PLC and interface system. Manufacturer will write craft instruction into PLC. According to different extrusion actions, PLC can send a signal to each workpieces and control each extrusion action. Interface system can follow up each craft parameter, such as extrusion speed, working pressure, temperature, etc. Meanwhile, user can set or adjust each extrusion parameter in interface system to meet extrusion requirements. Extrusion speed is inspected and controlled by electromagnetic ruler. It has high inspection accuracy, stable property, good compatibility. By the comparison and the corrective action between measuring speed and rated speed, with a calculation by PLC, this control system can do ISO speed extrusion craft. Optimize the industrial structure. Meet customers' requirement. For different non-ferrous metals, Yuan Company mainly produce two kinds of extrusion press. They are aluminum alloy extrusion press and copper alloy extrusion press. On this basis, Yuan Company developed a magnesium alloy extrusion press, silver alloy extrusion press, and other alloy extrusion presses. Because of the good extrusion forming property of aluminum alloy extrusion press is widely used in market now. In the field of construction industry, transportation, communication, industrial product, etc. You can always find a product by Yuan extrusion press. Copper alloy extrusion press is mainly used for extruding copper, brass, and other copper alloy bar, tube, flat bar, profile bar. These products are widely used in the field of electric power, communication, refrigeration, water heating, industrial product, etc. Copper brass alloy indirect extrusion press. Copper brass alloy indirect extrusion press is mainly used to extrude copper brass alloy rod, wire, and other products. This feature is high efficiency, stable quality, and no back scrap. Now, it is widely used by the users in domestic market and foreign countries. Transfer car will take copper brass billet to extrusion center. After the cleaning step and the cap catch the copper brass billet, the transfer cup will move back. The container will be closed. The stem moves to extrusion center. The main cylinder moves forward and extrudes for products. After extrusion, indirect shear will move down to cut the scrap. Then, the cleaning step will move to extrusion center to clean. At the same time, the automatic die holder will fix the die on indirect stem to prepare next extrusion. XJ Series Short Stroke Extrusion Press. By continuous technical improvement, Yuan Company developed XJ Series Short Stroke Extrusion Press. Because of its strong rigidity, quick loading, stable uniform extrusion, etc. From the beginning, XJ Series Short Stroke Extrusion Press became the customer's favor. Short stroke extrusion presses from Yuan Company use a horizontal loading system. This system has the advantage of stability, accuracy, and high speed. Under automatic mode, by using fixed dummy block, the producing speed can be fast. The efficiency can be high. The pre-stress structure for tie rods can increase the complete rigidity. It brings good stability and high accuracy for extruding. The machine runs stably, Low-impact on-hydraulic system reduces the abrasion and the deviation of main cylinder. It brings low consumption and saves raw material. Introduction for assistant equipment. Apart from producing all kinds of non-ferrous extrusion press, Yuan Company can produce assistant equipment such as fully automatic hot shear furnace, handling table, etc. Hot shear furnace from Yuan Company has high degree of automation and easy operation. All steps include the entrance of aluminum billet, heating, thermal insulation, cutting and loading to extrusion press. All steps are controlled by PLC. When the aluminum in furnace reaches a certain temperature, the heating furnace will do thermal insulation automatically. By this step, the aluminum billet can keep good homogeneity before extrusion. After this, automatic cutting machine will cut billet into certain length. Compared with the saw cutting machine for sawed billet furnace, this furnace will not bring sawdust. The cutting length can be adjusted. By this way, user can save raw material, increase the rate of finished products, and reduce cost. The puller for handling table is driven by steel wheel rope. This transmission is efficient and quick. It can save a lot of time for return. By optimization design, the lifting mechanism of initial table and finish saw table have simple structure, reliable running, and easy operation. The through-shaft transmission of 1-stage, 2-stage, 3-stage, 4-stage transmission is exchanged with short-shaft transmission. This short-shaft transmission is driven by GIMO. During the maintenance by exchanging field belt, it is unnecessary to dismantle the transmission shaft. Each field belt can be exchanged independently. It can shorten maintenance time. Further prosperity. Sustainable management. Yuan Company will not quit the steps for technical improvement and product innovation. Yuan Company will devote all its efforts to providing the customers with all-round, high-quality non-ferrous metals extrusion presses and laying firm foundation for sustainable development. From now on, Yuan Company can step into a virtuous cycle of enterprise development. Yuan Company wish to make sincere cooperation with you for our mutual prosperous future.